Today I'm going to introduce you that how you can use GPT-4, that is the latest AI language model, for free. A startup named ForeFrontAI has made GPT-4 freely available for its users. All you have to do is go to their website, create an account, and start using it. So let me show you how you can do this thing. Go to the web browser and go to chat.forefront.ai. You can sign in using your Google account or you can sign up for a new account. So I'm going to use my Google account over here. You can skip this thing and that's it. Now you can start using the GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. You can select the model from this drop down menu. So you can see that both options are there. I'm going to select GPT 4. And after that, you can select the persona of the AI language model. Right now, there is only one available, that is Helpful Assistant. It will help you out in assisting different things. You can additionally create the persona as well. For example, if you want to talk to a chef, you can create a persona of a chef. Or if you want to talk to a blogger, you can create a persona for that as well. Just if you scroll below, there are many different personas available which have been created, or you can create one for you. For example, if you want to talk to the Batman, you can click on this Batman icon and start chatting with him. So I've clicked on Batman and let's see that what Batman has to say. I'm going to ask that how's Joker doing? Is he in the Arkham Asylum or what? So here's the reply from Batman. The Joker, he's a constant thorn in Gotham's side. As for now, he's locked up in Arkham Asylum, but I always keep a close eye on him. He's unpredictable and dangerous. If he escapes, I'll be ready to bring him to justice once again. So that's it. So I can close this thing and can select any other persona from here. So I've used Batman persona, so now it appears in this drop-down list over here. So here's the persona of Steve Jobs as well. I'm going to talk to Steve Jobs. Share me the most valuable lesson you have learned in your life. So here's what Steve Jobs has to say to my question. So on this platform, you can easily use GPT-4 or GPT 3.5 for free. Additionally, there are many other things you can do on this platform. You can create folders and you can move your chats into the folders so that you can better categorize your chats. Apart from talking to the GPT-4 model, you can use this platform to ask GPT-4 to generate some image prompts, and you can simply use the imagine prompt to generate the images as well. So this platform is going to generate images for you as well. Let me use the persona of Ant-Man. I'll ask him that to describe a place inside a quantum realm so that I can use the description with an image generator to visualize the place. So here's a description. So I can copy this description, for example, from this point to this point. Let me copy it. And now I can simply use hash imagine and give the description and it will start generating the image. So this is what the image generator has created. Not so shabby. I can additionally ask him to generate something simpler so that we can get the idea what kind of images this thing can generate. So it has created this image for a prompt of a sunset at beach on a planet with two moons. I don't see two moons over here, but the image is quite good. So currently this platform is in its beta state and they are continuously improving it. The most attractive thing of this platform is that they allow you to use GPT 3.5 or GPT 4 for free. But there's a catch. You cannot use GPT 4 or GPT 3 beyond 5 prompts in 3 hours. So for every 3 hours, you are going to get 5 prompts. If you want to use more, there is no option right now because they are developing this thing. So they have not given any option for using a paid version or an extended version. So dear learners, I hope now you can use GPT 4 or GPT 3.5 for free and use its potential in your everyday lives. Thank you and take care.